Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today we will be visiting yung pinakauna nating na visit na plant market dito nga sa China. So this one is about 1 hour away from my apartment, so medyo malayo siya, and I decided to revisit it once again kasi it's already the spring season and I'm really hoping na may makita tayong mga new varieties of succulents dito nga sa plant market na ito. So upon entering, talagang mafe-feel niyo yung difference ng temperature sa labas versus dito sa loob. So talagang isa siyang malaking greenhouse. Ayan, and they are selling a lot of different kinds of plants, mostly mga tropical plants and flowering plants. Ayan, so aside from these plants, syempre may mga binibenta rin sila dito, mga succulents and mga cacti. So ito yung mga succulents na nandito sa ngayon, although actually I'm really expecting na mas madaming varieties of succulents ang makikita natin kasi it's the spring season. Pero as you can see, itong mga succulents na to are actually the same doon sa mga succulents na nakita natin nung first time tayo nagpunta dito. So in short, parang wala masyadong kumbaga new, wala masyadong bago na varieties ang binibenta nila dito as compared doon nga sa succulent plant shop na malapit lang sa ating apartment. So nag-ikot-ikot na ako dito kanina, and ito lang yung parang shop na nagbebenta ng puro succulents pero walang special na nakikita dito for now. So we've seen this one before, and kumbaga parang paulit-ulit lang yung succulent varieties na binibenta nila dito, diba? So syempre before, nung una tayong pumunta dito, talagang na-amaze tayo kasi ang dami nilang binibentang parang variegated succulents, but later on I realized na itong mga succulents na to are parang chemically induced yung kanilang variegation. Ayan, oh. So that one is actually parang variegated neon breaker. So first time ko siyang nakita, or first time ko makita ng variegated na neon breaker, although hindi siya natural variegation. Pero kahit papaano, actually ma-appreciate nyo rin naman siya kasi it's either pinkish or whitish yung color nung kanilang variegations. Ayan, so let's try to explore yung ibang parts nitong plant market na ito. So mostly talaga indoor plants ang mga binibenta nila dito, and if you can remember, yung bumili tayo ng mga house plants dito ko actually binili sa plant market na ito. So this one is actually cute, diba? Ang ganda nung planter na yan. So I think I'm gonna be buying this planter next time. And then we have kalangkowis here. So talagang flowering na. It's the flowering season dito sa China, kaya almost lahat ng flowering plants nagbo-bloom na sila. And for the prices pala nito mga ito, you can actually buy them for as low as 5 pesos. Yung mga maliliit na nasa tray, those are actually 5 pesos only. Syempre may mga tag 20, 25. Ayan. So iba-iba yung prices ng mga succulents dito. Depende na lang sa variety and sa laki nila. Ayan. So overall, I think hindi na ako babalik dito kasi kumbaga masyado siyang malayo sa aking location and wala naman akong nakitang bago. Diba? So kumbaga sayang lang yung oras na magbabiyahe tayo papunta dito, and yet yung mga binibenta nilang mga succulent varieties are just this same. So if we will be buying some succulents in the future, doon na lang tayo sa mas malapit sa ating apartment kasi doon talaga every week may mga bago silang succulent varieties na dumarating. So I think that's all for our quick tour. Ayan, so ang original plan ko talaga is I will be giving you a tour of this plant market ngayon na spring season kasi ang ina-expect ko madaming succulent varieties ang makikita natin, pero medyo na-disappoint din ako actually. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.